Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydia, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome once again, and thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And for the new ones, you are welcome. So yeah, today it's a challenge video. You guys can see my nails, can see how So guys, I usually see people with long nails. I usually admire them. I'm like, wow, I wish to have like long nails. But I'm like, will I survive with long nails? Just like, is it possible for someone who does all the house chores, who cleans, who cook, who just do the house chores, have long nails? So I've decided, me and my nail tech, she decided to give me a set of long nails and see if I can survive for 24 hours. So yeah, this is the challenge. So before we start, okay, I did my nails yesterday and I did some of the challenges yesterday. So, but I'll be showing you guys in a sec. First, go and have a look on how I made the nails, how I got these nails done.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
So guys, nails done. So the first thing that usually comes into our mind when someone has long nails, we are like, does she do the house chores? Does someone do everything without breaking her nails? So I tried to do some of them and see if it was possible without me breaking my nails. So first of all, I tried to make my bed and see if I can make my bed without hurting myself, breaking my nails or anything. So go and have a look guys on how I did it. Ow. This is the best that I can do. I can't go more than that. This is the best that I can. Don't try and go this way, otherwise you'll break your nail. So, ow, hey, guys, this is my bed. Okay, I tried though. Yeah. Welcome back. Let me tell you, it was not that easy. It was quite hard. Oh, I guess when someone has long nails, I don't know, you have to be extra careful. And there's something that you can't just do the way you usually do them, faster, or I don't think so. So that was our first challenge. The second challenge, I tried to wash a cloth. That's one I just laughed. I was like, this is like, no way. Someone who has long nails, it's either you have a washing machine or you have someone who clean your clothes. Otherwise, you can't just wash your clothes by yourself. Guys, go have a look on how I was just trying to wash that one cloth. Go have a look, guys. Wow, cleaning is hard if you do this way. Okay. But like the normal cleaning, the way someone hold this way and then you, ow. No. This way, yes. This way, yes. This way, yes. But this way, nope. Ow! Stop. Okay, thank you. Let me tell you, you can't have Cardi B nails without Cardi B bank account, without Cardi B house, or you can't. When you have like the Cardi B nails, make sure you have the Cardi B life too. This one, when you have the Cardi B nails, make sure you have the Cardi B life too. You can't have these nails and just the way we do our things in Africa. My sister, you can't. Yeah. You have the, when you have the rich auntie vibe, but being the broke auntie, that's why it's like having long nails and living life in ghetto. So next, I tried to eat different kind of food having these nails on. I tried to eat ugali, I tried to eat chapati, and I tried to eat rice and beans without using a fork or a spoon, just using my hands. Let me tell you, just you guys go and have a look how it was. Go and have a look, guys. Go have a look. So guys, now I'm gonna have veggies and simmer and see how it's gonna work. Oh, actually, you can eat. You can't eat like this, so you have to eat. You eat with the nails, obviously. What you have to do, you just have to eat with your nails. Next, I'm gonna try chapati and maragwe. For those who don't know, the food that I'm trying, it's like local Kenyan food. So guys, this is the next day, and okay, some part of Africa people eat with their hands and they don't use a fork. So I'm going to try and eat rice. You can eat sima, we did it yesterday, I ate chapo. So now I want to try and eat rice and beans and see how I'm going to, oh, shit. You only have to eat with your nails, really. You see, the bad thing, if you try to eat this way, you can't. If you try to eat with your fingers, you can't. So you only have to eat with your nails, which is like, wow. But also, if you eat with maybe your nails. So imagine sharing food with someone who is eating with their nails. What you know. You have to make sure your nails are really clean. Otherwise, let me tell you, eating was not a joke. Kwanzaa trying to eat like rice. Rice, you have to eat like everything. You have to use your nails. You're not using your fingers, you're using your nails. So imagine if your nails are not that clean, or if you are sharing food with someone and you're eating with your nails. How is the other person? Wow. No, it's just hard. Long nails, maybe they're not just for some people. For other people, yes, it can work, but for some of us, no. I love nails, but this long, I can't deal with them. So the next challenge that I did was trying to pick a cone. I was trying to pick a cone. I tried a 1 bob, which is usually big than the 5 bob ones. So just go have a look how I struggled to pick that one. Imagine if you are maybe on a road and you have to pick that cone from the street and everyone is looking at you. Just go have a look, guys, how I was trying to pick that one. Okay, that's 5 bob. 5 bob was a struggle. Go have a look, guys. Go. And another thing, shooting videos outside, it's like you're talking to yourself. People are passing and they're like, this girl is just crazy. But we have to make a living. We have to make a living. So, okay. I tried, the next one was cooking, washing some dishes. And that one was quite easy. I could cook, I could wash the dishes, but I guess washing some pots can be hard, which I did not really try. So I just tried to wash some dishes, cook. Yeah, I cooked. Just that one was easy. I didn't even film that much because I could do those stuff easily. Yeah, those are the challenges that I tried to do with my long nails. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now I just have to go and trim them. And another thing, guys, when you have long nails, don't wait until when you are really pressed to go in the washroom. Otherwise, you'll end up pee on yourself. It has been so hard when I'm wearing jeans and then I have to open the button and I have to open the zip. It's quite hard. No, it's really hard. Maybe unless you're wearing a dress, yeah. But when you are wearing jeans and you are pressed, I almost like broke this one, and I still feel pain when I was trying to open my button and my zip, and it was just hard. You better do other stuff, but try to go. What? Don't wait until when you are pressed. Just go when you feel like going. Go so that you can have your time to try to open your button and your zip. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because I really had fun doing this video. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. So please give me a thumbs up, comment down below what you think about someone who has long nails or how you feel about long nails. Let me know in the comment section. And also, guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, and just everything. Yeah, thank you so much for stopping by. Till next time, bye.